What exactly is CDL third-party testing all about? When it comes to getting your CDL license, there's a two-step process. Step number one, you first have to pass a few different written tests to get yourself what's called a CDL permit. Step number two, you're going to have to pass a 2.5-hour-long road test. So when it comes to taking the road test, you can take it in two different locations. Location number one is going to be at your DMV or whatever your state calls DMV itself, or you can take it at what's called a third-party tester. Now, third-party tester is not going to be for everywhere in the country. As an example, we have a location in New Jersey, and New Jersey does not allow third-party testing, which means anybody who actually is not certified to be a third-party tester outside of the state of New Jersey has to get tested in a DMV in New Jersey. But our neighboring state in Pennsylvania actually allows third-party testing. And that is actually where we have our third-party testing facility, where we are actually certified by the state of Pennsylvania to give the CDL road test just as if a DMV would give it to you.